Hi, my name is Megan Truick with the Law Office of Bryan Fagan. If you just watched my previous video about why you should set up a successful guardianship for your child, you may be asking yourself, but Megan, when do I do this? I can tell you that you will know exactly when you should do it because one, either the court will tell you, or two, something will have happened in that child's life, in that minor's life, wherein it's time. So let's talk about those incidents. First, if your child is 18, that makes them an adult. I know to us parents, we always consider them children. My child is 40 years old and we still consider them my child. My child is 25 and it's still my child. If you have a special needs child that's 18, then when you go to the hospital, when you go to the doctor's office, even if you're trying to register them for school, you may have an issue with that institution saying, well, ma'am, well, sir, that's not an adult. You can't make decisions for that person. In that situation, you may need to go get guardianship over the person of that child, that's their body, and if they have assets, guardianship over that person's estate. When else do you need to seek guardianship over that child or over that person? Usually if they become incapacitated. Incapacitation may be acute. Maybe they're in an accident. They were on the ski slopes, fell, hurt themselves. Maybe they had a stroke and they're now in a coma. Maybe they have some kind of mental impairment wherein they no longer can make sound financial decisions or sound physical decisions about their daily lives. In that situation, they may need a guardian of the person, that's their body, or over their estate. Another situation where I see people need guardianship, unfortunately, that's when both parents pass away, or if one parent passes away, but we do not know who the other parent is or where that person is. In that situation, some people may seek to get a SAPSR, that's a suit affecting a parent-child relationship, so that they can get custody over that child. However, if those children have any assets, a SAPSR is useless, and therefore the guardianship is always the best way to go. Because one thing, you'll get custody over the physical person by being the guardian of that person, and then you'll get guardianship over the estate. Therefore, you can spend money to take care of those minors. You can pay the mortgage if needs be. You can move the child out of state. A whole lot of things that a SAPSR doesn't exactly cut. So when you need to get a guardianship, usually in case of incapacity, in case of loss, or in a case wherein substantial assets are coming that minor's way and you need to take custody of it to manage it for that person. As always, my name is Megan Truick, lead estate planning attorney here and the director for the probate and guardianship department with the Law Office of Bryan Fagan. If you love this video, go ahead, like it, and go ahead and click another one. Thank you. Hi, so you are enjoying the Bryan Fagan Family Law YouTube channel. Well, you are in luck. We have now launched a brand new YouTube channel that is totally dedicated to estate planning, probate, and guardianship. If you want to hear more and if you want to see more videos, click on the link in the description below and come on over to enjoy total estate planning, probate, and guardianship content. Thank you.